Hi, my babies. I wanted to introduce you to my friend. This is Buddy. What you doing, Buddy? Hi, Buddy. Buddy's a son, Conyer, and he's young, 7 months old. Hi, Buddy. He's 7 months old, and he's learning how to talk. We're trying. What you doing? Hey, what you doing? Hmm? Let me kiss. He's a pretty bird, isn't he? So this is Buddy's home. This is Buddy's home. He lives in a big old cage. He has tons of toys to play with. Hi, Buddy. Hi, Buddy. So he eats mainly seeds and fruit, and he gets his water changed every day. It has to be changed every day because he likes to poop in it or he drops his food in it. But every now and then he likes to take a bath in it. So we want to make sure that it's good and clean so he can take a bath. Say bye-bye, Buddy. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Thank you. Thank you. Buddy's favorite food is French fries. He loves French fries and lots of French fries. He doesn't eat the outside. He likes the inside only. Anyways, so tomorrow I'll try and get Chico out and we'll have Chico on film. So if you have any bird questions, call me soon. Love you guys. Bye.